It's important to regularly clean your BMP71 printer to keep it running optimally. A cleaning kit is included in the BMP71 printer package. It contains a pre-saturated, disposable cleaning card, as well as a cleaning swab pre-soaked with isopropyl alcohol. You can purchase additional BMP71 cleaning kits from Brady's website. First, hit Setup. Then, choose Configuration and press OK. Then, navigate to Clean Printer and hit Enter. Follow the instructions on the screen. Place the cleaning card in the label compartment of the printer, inserting the left edge of the card up to the black line under the ribs. Close the printer cover, ensuring that it latches. Press the OK button to initiate the cleaning routine. Allow 15 seconds for the print head, platen roller, and label path to dry before reloading your labels and ribbon cartridge. To clean the two sensors, use a pre-soaked swab to gently wipe each sensor located here and here. Once the components are dry, you can reload your materials and resume your printing.